Bup. Hey everybody, what's Gucci? And welcome to another victorious Vim tutorial. Hopefully, maybe I'll have some nice picture of it at the beginning. Probably not, because I don't have any skills in that department. But in this video, we're going to be going over a very nice feature in Vim, copy and pasting. What everyone loves to do in college. Okay, so right now here I'm in Vim, and hopefully you can see, what I'm pressing and my shortcut keys, and I'm just navigating around. And so right above here, I'm going to just write, hi, my name is Slim Shady, because if you didn't know that about me, my favorite musical artist is Eminem. So hi, my name is Slim Shady. And in the song, now I'm going to press the caret sign to go to the front. In the song, that line is repeated. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to press capital V. And what capital V stands for is visual mode. And so visual mode is basically selection mode. And if you can see, if you can winch your eyes, it's a little bit hard to see, you can see that, hi, my name's Slim Shady, the whole sentence is now highlighted, along with my cursor being at the H. And so while I'm in visual mode, I can make selections using my usual arrow keys. So as you can see, I scroll down, and K, here we go, and blank lines 5 and 6 are also highlighted in a little bit. And now I have the whole document highlighted. And I also can go up to undo that selection. So now that I've highlighted these things, let me just go up to the first line, I can do a few things. I can press Y, which means yank, and what that does is essentially it copies it. Y stands for yank in Vim clause, because maybe it was before copy and paste was invented. But essentially, what I can do now is I'm going to undo that, is when I yank it, I copy it to the clipboard. It's exactly like copy. Yank equals copy. Some people like to think of it as yank it so fast that you still leave the copy. So once I do that, I can then do P. And P can mean place or put down there. But once I type in P, that will put it where my cursor is once I'm in kind of terminal mode. And also, when I do a selection, so we learned about Y and C and all that, you can also do, once I go into visual mode, I can do D for delete, so I can delete my whole selection, which is nice. And I'd also like to note that that also copies it to the clipboard. So, do you want to, both scenarios will copy it to the clipboard. So both of them are basically, it's going to the clipboard, but basically you're pressing D if you want to delete it, or you're pressing Y if you want to keep it and just, you need to put it somewhere else. So that's where the difference is between Y and D. And so that's kind of cutting and pasting. Some other tricks you kind of can do is if I go into V mode, so if you press capital V or kind of capital V or V do different things. So, and I'll have a link below to kind of, a more way of doing this. I like to press U to get out of visual select mode. If you press just lowercase v, it won't select the whole line for you automatically. It will kind of let you do it word by word. So as you can see here, I'm now using my cursor to make my selection. So I can do kind of I can select maybe an exact word I want to, or an exact sentence, or part of a sentence, not the whole line. So I can do that, and then if I do capital V, it starts just highlighting all the lines for me right there. So capital V does that, and then press U to get out of visual select mode. And then while you're in visual select mode is when you want to do press the Y to yank it or the D to delete it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ask any questions below and have the best day of your lives.